Procedure to operate ACER E-Lathe with Fagor C.S.S control. One, turn the function switch to constant surface speed mode.
Using CSS on the Fagor 40i-TS DRO. Press this function key and cursor to CSS and press enter. Enter the desired surface speed in feet per minute. For this example, we'll use 200 feet per minute with a maximum RPM of 2200 RPM. Press this key to confirm. Enter the diameter that you're touching off of. In this example, we will use 3 inches. Start the spindle. Program in the RPM with the Fagor 40i-TS DRO. Select the function key, select the RPM and press enter. Enter the desired RPM. And confirm with the other function key. These buttons can be used to override the spindle speed. Up and down 5%. Using tool offsets with the Fagor 40i-TS DRO. To select a tool, press the tool function key, enter the tool number, and the tool will be activated. Note that each individual tool will have a separate RPM or CSS associated with it. To teach a tool, press the tool function key, press teach, move to the desired diameter, enter the diameter, and press the confirming function key.